Do not go where the path may lead, rather go where there is no path and leave a trail. My name is Nii. Allow me to share my story of this amazing place which still seems unreal. Lake Natron.
Because of money and some other stuff, we had to like ditch the driver. So I'm driving, Tayo is here. We just need to get some fuel, and yeah, we'll soon be up to Natron.
We're good. Let's go.
Nah, I'm just joking.
After spending the night in Arusha, Tanzania, we packed our bags and headed on a 6-hour journey towards the Lake Natron region, which is also called one of the most dangerous lakes in the world.
So guys, we're headed to one of the most dangerous places in Tanzania. So it's a very desolate place. We're headed to Lake Natron, and we're there for about 3 days, and 2 nights. So we don't really have anything planned when we go there, just to explore definitely what we see. So we have Tayo.
What's up?
Then we have Robert, our wonderful driver who we just met today as well.
Yeah.
Nice.
Definitely, we need some bread, fresh bread. Thank you. Quick update, so we're currently at Majenko. Here is also called the Mosquito River. We're heading now into the rough road that will lead us straight to Lake Natron. So definitely, you can see Tayo is pricing banana here.
2.5. I want to buy this banana. This banana is big.
Yeah.
So 2.5.
A few hours away from our final destination, we passed by some monuments such as the Great Rift Valley, which is visible from Tanzania and Kenya. We made our way through a conservation area in Engaruka, home to a lot of beautiful animals, which remind me how alive the African continent is. I'm a lover of landscapes, and just before getting to our final destination, we came across two of the most beautiful landscapes I have ever seen. First, the Mountain of God, also called the Oldonyo Lengai, and the Hole of God, also called the Shimo la Mungu. What a long drive. I mean, it's a wonderful place so far. So I think we're just waiting for them to show us our room, then we X.
Good morning, people. We actually woke up just at 6 o'clock to catch the sunrise, so that's it behind me. So definitely we're going to the lake now to catch the flamingos. So Ty was just telling me that there were some hyenas like around, but not like very close. You just hear them. One thing I'll say about this place is that the walk from your room to like the reception is something else.
Tea bags.
Thank you.
Yeah, what taste?
Not too much. Yeah, that's good.
Morning.
Morning, how are you?
Good.
You sleep well?
Yes. Children singing.
Making our way towards the main tourist attraction here in the region, Lake Natron. What people call one of the most dangerous lakes in the world is one of the most spectacular sights I have ever seen. The home to 75% of the world's lesser
You
flamingos.
actually look to the ground. You can see like the hooves of giraffes. This is there some dried bones. I think of a flamingo. Can you enter the water?
You can enter the water because this is salty water, so you can use for anything. Maybe only you can use for wash your hands and maybe for washing your body, but it's not allowed for drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you can't drink it.
You
so
can't drink it. Yeah.
it's advised not to even enter because of the salt content.
Yeah, it's very salty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so where we're actually walking on during the rainy season, there's actually water all over this ground here, as you can see. So I'm just walking on it freely because it's not raining. So guys, we're actually just approaching the flamingos. So there's a bunch of them behind us. That's just like the small park, and there's a mighty bunch just in front. So definitely a sight to see. Funny enough, I heard that this is like 75% of like the world's population of flamingos here in Lake Natron. If you want to come and see flamingos, this is definitely the place to be. Back to the car. Beautiful Lake Natron. Definitely you guys should come check this place out. Something you will love and die, I swear.
After spending time at the beautiful lake, it was time to head on our second adventure of the day, which is a 45-minute hike to one of the hidden waterfalls here in the Lake Natron region. Afterwards, visit the amazing locales of the beautiful Maasai culture before our adventure will come to an end.
Long hike. That's what we're doing. We're headed to the waterfall. We're advised to like wear shorts. Definitely don't wear socks because our legs are going to be entering water. 10 minutes into the journey.
So there are actually 3 things I would advise you to do. Number 1, visit the lake. Number 2, go to the waterfall. Number 3, you have to have the Maasai experience. Awesome experience.
Yeah.
So would you want more Nigerians to come here?
I would like many Nigerians coming here. Really, I'm very happy to see people from Nigeria here. Most
Nice.
welcome, all of you guys.
Yeah, so we gave you a wonderful experience, right?
Yes, really.
Okay,
Really
thank you so
experience.
much, Daniel. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, you too.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. And also please make sure you subscribe and you like. Definitely this trip cost a lot of money. It's just something we had to show to the world. So please like, subscribe, and I think maybe you should just leave me a comment on what you think was like your best part of the video. Peace.